Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting Instagram Reels. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the 3 horizontal lines button in the top right to get to the menu. Tap your activity. Then select Photos and Videos. Tap Reels. Tap Select and then choose the reel or reels that you would like to delete. Tap Delete from the bottom of the page. Your reel or reels will be deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.